Hi everybody, my name is Frank from Organic Sound School, and today we're looking at this technique that you just heard. What you just heard is called rasgueo, which means strumming in Spanish. Let's go to a close-up. Okay, so this is all about the right hand technique, and it involves in strumming the guitar and kind of flicking motion. And we start with ring finger, so you flick it with the ring finger, middle, index down, index up. So you have a total of 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it slowly and gradually increase your speed. Let's go to the left hand. Okay, so this chord shape is called F major 7, and it's the first finger is gonna be on the B string, first fret. The second finger is gonna be on the second fret of the G string, and the third finger is going to be on the third fret of the D string. And if you can hear it, this is the sound of the chord. And the strumming pattern on the right hand is gonna be ring, middle, index, index, ring, middle, index, 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 index. Next, we have the C major chord, which is first finger is gonna be on the first fret of the B string, and second finger is gonna be on the second fret of the D string, and the third finger is gonna be on the third fret of the A string. And this is how it sounds. And for the right hand pattern, we're gonna start with the same pattern of the first F major 7 chord, which is ring, middle, index, index, ring, middle, index, 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 index. Next we have the F major 7 chord, and the strumming pattern on the right hand is going to be different, so pay attention. We're going to start with ring, middle, index, 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 ring, middle, index, index. I'm going to say it again. Ring, middle, index, 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 ring, middle, index, index. And next we have the E major chord, which is the first finger is going to be on the first fret of the G string. The second finger is going to be on the second fret of the D string. And then the third finger is going to be on the second fret of the A string. And this is how it sounds, the E major chord. And the strumming pattern on the right hand should be, we're going to use just the index in this case. So it's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. Again. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we're tying everything together, and we're going to go starting with the F major 7 chord, and the strumming pattern is going to be ring, middle, index, index, ring, middle, index, 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 index. And then we go to the C major chord, the same pattern. Ring, middle, index, index, ring, middle, index, 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 index. Pay attention, the third chord is going to be the same of the first one, F major 7. And then the pattern is going to be different here, so it's going to be ring, middle, index, 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 ring, middle, index, index. And then we go back to the E major chord, and it's going to be only the index chord, index finger is going to be down, up, down, up, down, up. So I'm going to play it again. that's it for our Rasgueo class. I hope you enjoy this class, and my advice for you guys to start slowly and gradually increase the speed. The key is to do it slowly and do it exactly how it shows on the video. And feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.